up, guys? Kept lifted for life here. As you can see, snow. Winter is finally here. And got the snow shovel out. I'm gonna go do the sidewalk. And later on, we're gonna bring all the snow in here on the street. Look how deep that is. Check that out. Like, the snow is legitimately in my foot right now. Yeah, I'm wearing the wrong type of shoes, but okay. Oh, smokes. Babe. Babe. Damn. Dude, you're not going anywhere, man. Legitimately infinity. G37 or something? I don't know what this calls. And he's in the snow. Dude, you're not going anywhere, man. Get the snow cleared out. Bring on thing and try to get my baby started up. Let me see if I can open the gate. Yeah, it came off the rail. Yikes, that's not good. Okay, here she is. Second snowstorm with this car. Second snowstorm that she actually experienced because she was from Arizona or something? I don't know. But there you go. That's how it looks like. The snow. Look how deep it is. Right? That's the ground. That's deep. That is deep. There's a walk around. I'm actually gonna clean the snow off with base. FX4 off-road life, boy. Damn, she looks like a caravan. I just insulted my Explorer. That's not good. Dang, can't see nothing. Alright, guys. Alright guys, sorry about the foggy lens, it's really cold out here. And I went inside for a second to get my keys. But, let's start this baby up. Ooh, nice. Snowplow, oh man. Better hurry up before the snowplow gets here. You see down the block, snowplow? I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, down there, you see it? You see it? You see the big boy? You see the big boy? It's gonna come here soon, so I gotta hurry up and start my car up. Alright, let me start my car up real quick. Where's my keys, man? Where's my keys? Sorry guys, me like a 5-year-old. Where's my keys? You might not even open. Cold start, might not even start up. I'm just saying because the battery sucks. Oh shoot. Stay back there, Flo. Woo! Alright. Snowplows are coming. Alright. Baby starts up. Cold as start. Anyway guys, this is what New York City snowplows look like. Right here. Ah, crap. Oh no, the slope. Oh, I didn't see that. Alright guys, so that's the way the New York City cleans the streets. Alright, so January 23rd, continuing the video. Don't know where I left off, but it's about 5 p.m. It's about to get dark, as you can see. And as you know, this morning we shoveled the snow. And for some odd reason, it came back. But look at it. It's insane. Drove the car earlier, went for snow drifting, a session of snow drifting, and she did pretty good. You will see that in the future videos. I had my drift camera connected to it, so it's actually pretty cold out. It got but yeah, this baby did pretty good. It was on 4-wheel drive low the whole time. No, 4-wheel drive automatic, and didn't even give me a problem. Only once I had to use 4-wheel drive low. That was just when I mistakenly got into a snowbank at the snowdrift area, and I got stuck in there pretty good.